What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. You are watching another Izzy's review. It's when I give you my opinion, even though you didn't ask for it. So today we're going to be reviewing, or I guess a show and telling of a cream soda. So, as we all know, for people who have children, they surf the internet, they see things, and they want to try it. Mine came home and said, "Mom, I want to try a cream soda." I couldn't find any cream soda, even though we don't drink soda. We only drink water in this family. But no judgment, you only live once. Let the child have a cream soda. So I looked online and I found some recipes. Some were like soda water, half and half, and vanilla. And some were like, oh, it's just orange soda with a scoop of ice cream. So after I did my research, I decided to come up with my own modified version. So I'm going to take this clear glass so you can see it. And I'm going to do some pour measuring with this. So what I'm going to do is take my almond milk from Aldi. If you don't know by now, that's my spot, right? That's where I shop. This is vanilla. And I figured because it's vanilla flavor almond milk, I can get away with the cream and the vanilla in one. So I'm going to fill like half. Oh, that's a little bit more than half. I'm going to, do that much with cream. I guess I really didn't need to do that because I did half of my half and poured it in here. And then I went to my local convenience store and got Fanta. I feel like this would have had the most orangiest taste out of the selection. So I'm going to try to keep in mind this is thin and it gets wider at the top. So I'm going to try to pour an equal amount of soda. And voila, hopefully this is a legit cream soda. So I'm going to take my little knife. I ran out of spoons for my last video. I'm going to try it. It tastes like cream, and it tastes like soda. So there you have it, guys. I guess it's a legit cream soda. It has a fizz from the soda, has an orange taste from the soda, the cream from the almond milk, the vanilla from the almond milk. Voila, cream soda. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Please, if you have not done so already, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, cheers!